Alright. Howdy YouTube. Welcome to Luke's World TV. Here we go. Picked this up at estate sale there. And yeah, Mcculloch ProMac 1010. Not too bad condition. I mean, you know, normal. But I guess I shouldn't swear. Yeah, the only thing I've done to it so far, I tightened the chain, which, I mean, a little bit, but it was super loose. And yeah, it's missing the chain brake assembly. Hopefully get a new one of those. And maybe we'll put a full wrap on it. And yeah, it's got compression, it's got spark, check spark already, but it's got some stale gas in it, and air filter's pretty plugged. So yeah, let's get to it. I'll start by taking this bad boy off. And yeah, ooh, I don't know if you can see that there. She's pretty plugged. So, and on the inside there, all the guts work. Oil pump, choke, trigger. So, yeah. It ain't working so good. Okay, so air didn't really work that well. Trying to think of something around here. Oh, hold on. Gently hit it with one of these. I don't know. Try a gentler one first, probably. I shouldn't swear either. You guys can't see. Okay, so I got this a little bit more cleaned off, at least to the thicker stuff. There, you can kind of light through a bit better. Now maybe the air work a little better. Popped a breaker. Okay, we're back in power. We got really bad power out here. Can't really run too many tools. So, new attack. So, with a little bit of this and a little bit of compressed air, I'd say that looks pretty clean, wouldn't you say? Just have to give it a little bit of poke in there. Right. There we go. That's the ticket. check out the fuel situation here. Whoa. Come on, you son of a gun. Oh. All right. Work smart, not hard. Just enough to loosen that guy off there. All right. Whew. Yeah, she's pretty old. Well, change plans. Let's see if this sucker will start right now, just from that clean air filter. Maybe some stale gas, but yeah. Let's see what she does. Yeah, no, nothing. Well, we'll continue. All right, now I have no idea if this is gonna work, but I got this what looks like siphoning tube. So, give it a shot. Maybe Alright, give you guys a little bit of a different view here. It's coming out of there. I think I got most of it out, but we'll keep going anyway. Try and tip that up on the side there. Get that along the corner. Ah! Now, on a quick note, a lot of you were probably watching me siphon that and thought, what an idiot. And you're right. Yeah, my dad came out right after I spilled it, and he's like, why don't you just turn it upside down? So, sometimes you don't think of everything, right? Well, we're all learning. So, jump right back into it. Well, we got all the old gas out. Had a little bit of mishap, but, keep rolling with it. Okay, so we're back. I got a jar marked with half a liter. I don't want to mix up that much, so we're gonna go ahead and mix up our gas here. Now, from what I read online about the Mcculloch ProMac 1010, most people said 40-1, so I'm gonna just go with that. Now the mixture on here is really small, like it's to a half liter of gas. on a 40-to-1 mixture, it's 12.5 milliliters, which is nothing. So go ahead and try and measure this out here. Try and make it so you guys can see it here. There's about 12 and a half. Perfect. Alright, so just gonna mix this in here, and then it's just about ready to put the gas in and start her if she fires. The only next thing to do is maybe try and clean off the spark plug, which I might do that just before we start it, just to make sure. Every last little dribble drabble. Rest of the gas in here. I should probably level that out. Oh. There we go. Alright. Pretty cool, eh? Ooh. Now, you keen observers on the interweb, you can probably hear the fan going. Considering how much gas I spilled, this thing's just hotboxed with fumes. So I'd add a couple years onto my life. Put the fan. Now, where were we? So we got the gas mixed up. Looking in here, I tried to get a good camera angle of it, but like it's too dark. But the fuel filter on this thing is just plugged with sawdust, and so I gotta replace that, I guess. But hopefully we'll get enough fuel in her to at least turn her over tonight. That'd be a good part one. Get this thing somewhat running. Well, I'm going to pour the gas in, we'll clean the spark plug a little bit, and then get back to you. Now, this probably ought to be the oldest trick in the book. The old 2-liter funnel. Oh. There we go, friends. It's topped up. Great. Let's get that spark plug out. Okay, we're back with some sockets. Come on, you son of a gun. There we go. There she is. She's a little dirty, but let's see if I get that focus for you. There we go. Yeah, she ain't the cleanest one, but move this over and a little bit of wire brush. If you can see that. Right. Let's oh, come on, yeah. Come on, baby. Where are you? There we go. A little bit cleaner for that. Hopefully that does the trick. Alright, clean the end of it off a little bit here. And, put that sucker back in. Alright, next shot is hopefully going to be it running. We're back. Alright, now I got my buddy Sean here, so... Oh man, watch yourself. Okay, so I know I said I didn't want to, but we'll pull the top plate off the carb and see if she's getting fuel. And pull that nice clean filter off. Ooh, look at that. Now, what do we... There she is. That's one of those small cocksuckers. Come on again. And now in no way am I a mechanic. I do have a basic understanding of carbureted engines. Very little on two-stroke, but we're all just out here trying, right? Come on, you. Alright. Woohoo. Look at that sweet thing. Come on. This thing don't focus close up. There she is. Ooh. Oh. Alright. I'm not really seeing anything coming out here. You know what? It's probably that fuel filter in the gas tank. Kind of a pain in the butt, but maybe with just some of these jets, though, we can try that. Let's see if maybe that helps. guy who owned it before was just a bugger. Oh well, give that a shot. Okay, this will be our last shot for the evening. Okay, so we're back with the Mcculloch, the ProMac 1010, and we cleaned the air filter. We changed the gas out, cleaned the plug a little bit. We checked for spark. We checked the carburetor, see if it's getting any fuel. So our clogged fuel filter might be the issue, but we'll give it a shot. Buck and Billy Ray, he didn't use the choke on these old Mccullochs, but we're gonna try it out choked just for now. Cold start, and here we go. Woo! Get out of here, Sean. Hey, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit it with a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, leave it with a thumbs down. And let me know why down in the comments. Curious? And yeah, if you like this content, you'd like to see more of it, consider subscribing. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can see when all my new videos come out. And as always, be good. And if you can't be good at it. Oh man.